Wicked! That's the fireworks that you guys can hear. If only those trees weren't there, it would have been a bloody beautiful shot. I love fireworks. Oh, there we go. It's from the Nowra show. There's a show going on right now in North Nowra. Oh, did you hear that? Through there. Whoa! Listen to them go! Oh, hello, kangaroo. It's a shame you can't really see them. Oh, there we go. Right there. I think they're finished. Nope. There they go. You can just me. Wow! Wicked! Can you see that one from here? Oh yeah! Right through there. They're still going! Look. Whoa, that was a good one. Whoa, yes! Come on, bring them a little higher. Come on, shoot him a little higher. Do a good one. Oh, there we go. These are from the North Nowra show. Wicked! I love fireworks. Here comes some more. There we go. Right there. I love fireworks. They're one of my favourite things ever. If only I was over there right now, you would have seen one hell of a fireworks show, guys. And this would be a really good hit for Great Aussie. And then that car gets in the way. Oh, here we go. Yes! 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 I didn't know the fireworks only went for this long. What? Oh yes! There we go! Here we go. There we go. Whoa! Look at this! This is wicked! Look at them go! And that is what I call a real fireworks show. I love them. You can even hear the guys cheering. I think that's all of them. Yeah. That's all of them.